The secret method system was developed and submitted by Joy22. It is also mainly referred to as the swing man strategy. It is used when trading the euro to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar and the Australian dollar to US dollar currency pairs. It uses a combination of several indicators which includes the HA indicator, the T3 indicator, the pivot indicator, the sweet spot indicator, the swing man indicator, the momentum 10 indicator, the 9OAH 5 indicator. The secret method trading, scalping, system has two templates, Secret 27 and Secret 3 templates. For both templates you have to load the indicators that come with the downloaded zip file into the indicators folder of the MT4 platform for them be loaded automatically when the template is loaded. Fig.1. The Secret 3 template. However, the Secret 3 template is the most user-friendly and easy template to work with. It uses the T3 moving average indicator, the Heikin-Ashi indicator, the swing man indicator and the momentum 6 indicator. How to trade using the secret method trading system. Secret method: placing a buy order. This is placed when a swing man blue arrow shows up. Then the Heikin-Ashi indicator has to be blue and it should form above the green 3 moving average. Also, you have to ensure that the momentum indicator is above the 0 mark line. Then the 9th OAH 5 indicator has to be green. However, you may opt to use stops. If you decide to do so, then you should place the stop loss 15 pips below the order and the take profit 30 pips above the order. Fig.3. How to trade using the secret method trading system. The secret method: placing a sell order. This is placed when a swing man red arrow shows up. Then the Heikin-Ashi indicator has to be red and it should form below the green 3 moving average. Also, you have to ensure that the momentum indicator is below the 0 mark line. Then the 9th OAH 5 indicator has to be red. The trade should be closed when the 9th OAH 5 indicator turns green. However, you may opt to use stops. If you decide to do so, then you should place the stop loss 15 pips above the order and the take profit 30 pips below the order. Download and tricks indicator. Extract from the file RAR or zip. Copy tricks MQ4 to MetaTrader directory, experts, indicators/start or restart your MetaTrader client. Select chart and time frame where you want to test your indicator. Search custom indicators in your navigator, mostly left in your MetaTrader client. Right click on tricks MQ4 attached to a chart. Modify settings or press OK. Indicator tricks MQ4 is available on the chart. For remove tricks MQ4 from MetaTrader chart, select the chart where is the indicator running in MetaTrader client. Right click into the chart indicators list, select the indicator and deleterics, or triple exponential moving average, is a momentum indicator very similar to MACD, designed to filter out movements in price action that are insignificant to the larger trend. It basically displays the rate of change of a triple exponentially smoothed moving average, from which it derives its smoothness and filter characteristics. The trader selects a certain trackback period to create the moving average and the oscillator then filters out cycles that are shorter compared to that period. Trix has two main advantages over other trend following indicators. The first is that it's superior in filtering market noise, and second, it tends to act as a leading indicator, instead of a lagging one, because it measures the difference between each bar's smooth price version. Due to the similarities between the signals generated by Trix and MACD, it is traded in largely the same manner. In fact, the main difference between the two is that the Trix is much smoother. We will speak about trading Trix once we have explained the calculation and plotting method. Calculation and plotting. The Trix indicator is the 1 period percentage rate of change of a triple smoothed exponential moving average. A triple smoothed EMA is basically an EMA of an EMA of an EMA. Say we choose an 18 period look-back span. The calculations will look as follows. Trix equals 1 period percentage change of the triple smoothed EMA. Single smoothed EMA equals 18 period EMA calculated based on the prices close. Double smoothed EMA equals 18 period EMA of the single smoothed EMA. Triple smoothed EMA equals 18 period EMA of the double smoothed EMA. Thus, Trix will be positive while the triple smoothed EMA is moving higher and will gain negative value as soon as the triple smoothed EMA reverses down. However, the triple smoothing ensures that the number of reversals will be minimized. The Trix indicator can be used both as a momentum indicator